Mercedes-Benz may not be the first automaker that comes to mind when talking about cargo and utility vans, but the company has been quietly garnering sales in the US in a market that was dominated for decades by the Ford Econoline. European cargo vans promise all of the utility of a traditional panel van in a far more efficient and practical package. To show off how practical they can be, Mercedes-Benz brought a decked-out Metris Worker concept to the 2017 Chicago Auto Show. The van is kitted up to look like a giant toolbox, carrying handle and all. Wild wrap and toolbox add-ons aside, the coolest part about the Metris Toolbox concept is the flip-up panel on the driver's side that reveals a full workbench, complete with removable shelves and cases. Unfortunately, the flip-up side isn't actually available for customers. It's disappointing, because that feature could be really useful with some overhead lights and a few hooks.